I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks on how I do my latest brow routine. It's a very simple routine and how you can achieve perfectly even eyebrows also. So let's not waste any time and let's get into the tutorial. I always use this brush from Plume. This is my favorite. It's a dual-ended brush. It has an angle brush on one side and this spoolie on the other side. So I'm going to be using this spoolie and I'm going to brush my brow hairs on the direction they grow. I don't follow all those Insta or TikTok techniques where you need to achieve feathery brows. That is a big hectic thing. Truly it is good for glam looks but not everyday looks. So I follow a very simple routine. It's hassle free and you don't have to keep maintaining also if you use lot of products. I always use only one product. That's what I've been doing these days. I'm going to take this Lakme Micro Brow Perfector. This is an awesome product. This is not a sponsored video. This is an awesome product because I use just this. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to map out, as you can see in the video, I'm mapping out the lines from where my brow should start, my inner brow should start. I'm going to do the same on the top of my brows also. As you can see, I don't know, I'm unable to explain, but as you can see, I hope you can understand. This is how I do, so that I can get that perfectly even brows. So you can see, now we know where to start, from which point to start. I'm going to show you one brow at a time. So I am drawing very small strokes. This is how I do. First I draw the base and then I imitate the hair growth on the side, how my hair grows, my brow hair, the way it grows. I'm going to imitate it in the same direction. You need a free hand for this, guys. I'm telling you, it might look very difficult initially, but as you keep practicing, this is very easy. As you can see, I'm thankful to God that I'm blessed with good brow hairs, but I do have bald spots because I used to pluck my brow hair a lot in my college days. So that's the reason I have some bald spots. So as you can see, as I'm drawing, I'm also brushing with the spoolie so that it blends quite well. Very soon even that line is also going to disappear. Take your time, just imitate your hair growth. That is how you have to draw, okay? See how I'm blending it, the product, into my brow hairs so that it's not visible. No product should be visible. That is how you'll get the natural look. I'm going to do my other brow also so that you can see. Doing the same again, imitating my brow hair growth, the direction of it. Sorry if some angles seem to be not good or unprofessional, because I wanted to do very minimum editing, because this is how I do every day. I always do simultaneously. It's not like I do one brow totally and then do the other one. I don't believe in that. I do both simultaneously. Every step I do on the same, I do on both the brows at the same time. So as you go along, just brush the hair simultaneously so the product blends very well into the brow hair. See, this product, I've been using this product, I think it's been 4 months, and I don't have to use any brow powder also, seriously, because this is a waterproof product. It has that wax type of consistency, so I don't have to set it with any powder. It actually basically gives me a very natural look. When you fill your brows with powder, sometimes it will give you that thick sort of look. It's very unnatural looking, so I stopped doing that. This is what I've been doing these days and I'm really loving it. Maybe I do this procedure somewhere at 10 in the morning, and my brows are intact till I do my nighttime skincare routine, which is around 9 o'clock. Seriously guys, trust me when I'm telling you this is a perfect product. Again, this is not a sponsored video, I'm telling this for you guys. This is my personal opinion. I've bought this product and I've been using this. So next I'm going to clean up my brows with a concealer. You can use any concealer. You will need this angle brush. So as you can see in the next slide, I'm going to clean up my brows so that, you know, while we are blending, there is a product disbursement here and there. And also sometimes when you draw, some angles don't come properly. So this is a freestyle drawing. So when you use this angle brush and you swipe it along, as you can see, now we got a very fresh look, you know, like when you go to a parlor and a salon and get your brows done, and how neat your brows look. So that is the look this concealer also gives you. And once you set this also with the concealer, it is sweat proof also. The product will also not disperse here and there. It's a long lasting procedure, I mean not procedure, but a long lasting technique. Sorry, it's a technique which makes your brow look long lasting throughout the day. I've been using some makeup products which I have a sensitive skin, that's why I have some breakout on my forehead. So some makeup products are not too good these days. I've been using them, testing them, so that's why I got this breakout. So this is what I do. Just draw towards my brow hair direction, fill in all the bald spots, and then clean it up with concealer, and then later I set it up with either a setting powder or a powder compact or a pressed powder, anything. It's up to you. So yeah, this is one technique. And see, you see that more brow hairs, the taller the brow, the more angrier it looks. So make sure your brows are evened out. Okay, mainly onto the inner brow area. If it is too big, you will get a sort of an angry look, you know, like you're frowning. So make sure you don't draw too much there. See how well the product has blended into my brows. So that's it. That is my routine. I know it might look complicated for you because I've done very minimum editing. I've kept this a long video. That's why it might look very complex for you. But trust me, draw in the direction of your brow hair and blend it as long as you do, and then clean it up with concealer. That's it. You're done for the day. So this is my brow routine. Do let me know how you like it in the comment box below, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you, take care, bye bye.